Day 3. Today we learn polite words. Our first word is Fa'amole-mole. Fa'amole-mole means please. Fa'amole-mole. Repeat after me. Fa'amole-mole. Fa'amole-mole. You said the word. Very good. Our next word is Fa'afetai. Fa'afetai means thank you. Fa'afetai. Repeat after me. Fa'afetai. Fa'afetai. You said the word. Very good. Our last word for today is Tulou. Tulou means sorry or excuse me. Tulou. Repeat after me. Tulou. Tulou. You said the word.